The 2026 Toyota Century stands as the pinnacle of Japanese automotive craftsmanship, a car that has long embodied prestige, elegance, and exclusivity. For decades, the Century has been Toyota's flagship luxury sedan, reserved for Japan's elite, heads of state, and business leaders. Unlike many luxury vehicles that lean heavily on European styling and performance benchmarks, the Century has always maintained a uniquely Japanese identity, prioritizing refinement, understated luxury, and a quiet dignity that reflects cultural values of subtlety and sophistication. The 2026 model carries forward this rich heritage while embracing modern innovations in technology, performance, and sustainability, ensuring that it remains relevant in a rapidly evolving luxury market. From the outside, the 2026 Century projects an aura of commanding presence. The design continues to emphasize timeless elegance rather than flashy extravagance. The body is sculpted with clean, deliberate lines, complemented by a prominent grille that exudes authority without overstatement. Chrome accents are tastefully applied to highlight the Century's grandeur, while modern LED lighting technology integrates seamlessly into the traditional silhouette. Every design cue reflects Toyota's meticulous attention to detail, from the hand-polished paintwork to the discreet badging that hints at exclusivity. It is a car designed to stand out quietly, not scream for attention. Inside, the Century offers one of the most serene and luxurious cabins in the automotive world. The 2026 iteration pushes the boundaries of refinement with a combination of traditional craftsmanship and advanced technology. Premium materials such as hand-stitched leather, fine wood veneers, and plush wool upholstery pay tribute to the Century's heritage, while discreetly integrated digital displays, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge connectivity bring it into the modern age. The rear passenger compartment remains the true focal point, designed as a sanctuary for relaxation. With reclining seats, massage functions, advanced climate controls, and a near-silent ride, the Century ensures that those being chauffeured experience absolute comfort. The cabin is more akin to a private lounge than a conventional automobile, reinforcing its role as a vehicle for the elite. Under the hood, the 2026 Century embraces Toyota's latest hybrid technology, aligning with modern demands for sustainability without compromising refinement. A V8 hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, effortless performance, prioritizing seamless acceleration and whisper-quiet operation over aggressive speed. This approach suits the Century's character perfectly, as it has never been about raw performance but rather about creating an experience of dignified, uninterrupted emotion. The hybrid system also reflects Toyota's forward-thinking philosophy, ensuring reduced emissions and improved efficiency while maintaining the prestige expected from a flagship sedan. Driving dynamics are tuned with precision to provide unmatched comfort. The suspension system incorporates adaptive technology to absorb imperfections in the road, ensuring passengers remain cocooned from the outside world. Noise insulation has been refined to an almost uncanny level, making the Century one of the quietest vehicles on the road. Advanced driver assistance systems and safety features also come standard, reflecting Toyota's commitment to combining tradition with innovation. These technologies operate subtly in the background, enhancing safety without disturbing the car's sense of calm. The 2026 Century continues to be a rare and exclusive offering, produced in limited numbers and available primarily in Japan, though it garners admiration globally. It does not chase trends or compete directly with European luxury sedans like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 7 Series, Grand Series. Instead, it carves out its own identity, rooted in Japanese culture and philosophy. For those who value understated luxury, impeccable craftsmanship, and a vehicle that reflects not just wealth but wisdom and restraint, the Toyota Century remains unmatched. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota Century is more than just a car. It is a statement of tradition, progress, and dignity. It respects its heritage while embracing the future, offering a driving and riding experience that is truly unique in the world of luxury automobiles.